Let me maybe start on a more general note on this judgment. Indeed, we took note of the judgment in a number of preliminary reference cases regarding the justice reforms in Romania. The Commission, first of all, welcomes the clarification of the Court as regards the creation of a special prosecution section, in particular that the section cannot be used as an instrument of political control. We also welcome the clarifications of the Court regarding the obligations of Romania under the cooperation and verification mechanism, which is binding in its entirety on Romania. The Commission had already expressed its concerns about the reforms of 2017 to 2019, which were subject to this judgment. We note that a process to remedy the legislation in question is already ongoing in Romania. The Commission hopes that the judgment will provide a clear framework and direction for Romania in the ongoing reforms to satisfactorily fulfill the CVM benchmarks in full respect of the rule of law. And the Commission will continue to support Romania towards this goal. So it is now, of course, for the referring courts, as always in preliminary cases, to follow up on the judgment. The Commission has already made it clear that the Romanian reforms in question, in particular the one you're referring to, the creation of the section for the investigation of offences committed within the judiciary, raised concerns as to the independence of the judiciary and compliance with EU law. And we have also made it clear that Romania should proceed with the necessary reforms to revert the backtracking of the years 2017 to 2019. So the Commission is aware that Romania already announced a number of such reforms to revert these earlier reforms. It is essential that these reforms will be in line with today's ruling and are fully compliant with EU law and European standards. We will continue to work with the Romanian authorities, including, of course, also in the context of the rule of law mechanism.
Thank you very much, Christian. Whilst Christian is on the podium, are there other questions for him on rule of law related issues?